Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Tundra tail light. This simple method will save you time and money. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You will need a T30 Torx bit, a ratchet, and the correct replacement bulb for your specific light, such as a 3157 for the brake light. Now, let's get started. Begin by opening your truck's tailgate. You will see two Torx bolts on the inner side of the tail light assembly. Using your T30 Torx bit and ratchet, carefully remove both of these bolts. Once the bolts are out, firmly but gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the truck. It is held by two alignment pins. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now access the bulbs. Locate the bulb you need to replace. Twist its socket counterclockwise about 1/8 of a turn to unlock it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Take your new bulb and push it firmly into the socket until it is fully seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb. Now, let's put everything back together. Twist the bulb socket clockwise into the tail light assembly until it locks securely. Carefully align the two pins on the back of the tail light assembly with their corresponding holes on the truck body. Push the assembly firmly into place. Reinstall the two Torx bolts and tighten them snugly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all tail light functions to ensure they work correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.